Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.thoughtfultoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. The Limitless Source. Every invention came first from an idea. Every breakthrough came first from persistence and faith. Every recovery came first from a belief that it can be done. Therefore, know your power and part in creation. Know the limitless source you serve and the infinity of the universe, and that nothing is impossible with the great I am. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, just close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for a friend visiting. I am grateful for a new project. I am very grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.